Okay, Keith, there's your tricopter outside. It's probably a gusting from 15 to 20 km/h winds, so this flight may not last too long. My thumbs are freezing too. So this is auto level mode, no acro. Probably can't even see it so far away. The wind is blowing it away from me. It's so light. Fighting the wind. On horizon mode. Go high, see if I can flip it. Nope. Go to acro mode. Oh, that's the end of that one. Not anywhere near enough. Oh my. Pity. Guess what? I think I might need a new frame, Keith. We'll see how the damage presents. Well, the arms broke off properly. Oh, the frame is snapped here on the corner. Oh, I should unplug. I didn't have near enough to I don't know if you can see this. I lost part of the frame on this one. Oh well. I will definitely be rebuilding that one though. I like that tricopter. All the parts, all the motors, props.